Hello and welcome to Regrow Tech India. I'm your host Durre Nayab, bringing to you yet another episode on the Java Beginners Interview Series. So today we are going to do yet another program on the while loops, and today we are seeing as to how can we find whether a number is a prime number or not. So first of all, let us understand what kind of numbers are termed as prime, and then we will see what concept can we apply in order to write a program for the same. Now the program says write a program to check whether a number is a prime number or not. So first of all, the concept of this is actually quite simple because a prime number is simply a number that has only two factors, which is 1 and itself. Take for example 7. 7 has two factors, 1 and 7. Similarly, 5. 5 also has two factors, 1 and 5. Right? So, in our last program or in the last episode, we have actually done a small code in which we were finding out the number of factors along with the factors. So, here we just need to put a condition on the same and the program will be done. Now, if you have not watched the previous episode, I will be sure to put the link in the captions below. However, it would be great if you first watch that video before watching this one. Now, here we go. So, this is what we were doing in the last program. We were getting the factors printed and we were getting a count of the factors. Okay, so we don't really need to print the factors now. And at the moment, if I just remove this, I have commented it, not removed it. So I will have only the number of factors. So the number of factors for 36 is 9. Okay, now we said that if the number of factors for a number is only 2, then the number is termed to be prime. And count was the variable that was counting the number of factors. So here what we are going to say is we are going to simply check if the number of factors equals to 2, right? So count has a number of factors, we will write count equals to 2. If that is the case, then we want to print that the number is prime number, else composite number. Okay, that's all. That's literally the program. And in the last video, I've already explained the dry run as to how this is going to work. And in that, there is just one condition. If the number of factors is 2, then prime is not prime. So 36 is not a prime number, it is composite. That is why 36 is said to be composite. Here, let us try with, say, 7. We clearly know that 7 is a prime number. So we'll go ahead and check it out. And yes, lo and behold, 7 is the prime number. So I'm not really explaining the dry run for this program because the dry run, what we did for the factors and the number of factors in the previous episode is exactly the same. On top of that, we are just checking what is the number of factors. If the number of factors count equals to 2, then the number is prime, else not prime. And that's literally the program. I hope this video is well understood. If you have any more doubts or you would like for me to take up any more programs, please be sure to put them on the comments below. And I will be sure to put up the videos as soon as possible. Other than that, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe.